It's a very, very happy coincidence that we are coming on air in the Women's Day week, क्योंकि ये शो काफ़ी significant है उस event के साथ. So yeah, I'm just really happy about it. मैं अपने आप को बहुत ही खुश नसीब मानती हूँ कि मुझे एक ऐसा कैरेक्टर निभाने को मिला जो रियल विमेन है. उनके साथ अगर कुछ ऐसा हुआ है जिससे उन्हें इस कैरेक्टर से कुछ सीखने को मिले या इससे कुछ लाभ हुआ है, तो आई थिंक इससे बड़ी और क्या बात हो सकती है, क्या अचीवमेंट हो सकती है. आई एम जस्ट एक्सट्रीमली ग्लैड. अगर किसी भी तरीके से मैं किसी को सपोर्ट दे, मेरे किरदार के थ्रू मैं सपोर्ट दे पाई हूँ या मैं किसी की आवाज़ बन पाई हूँ, किसी को हिम्मत मिली है इस किरदार को देखकर, तो मेरी मेहनत सफल है.
बिल्कुल सही बात है, क्योंकि मैंने भी ऑब्जर्व किया है कि बातें बहुत होती हैं लेकिन उतने एक्शंस देखने को नहीं मिलते हैं. आज भी मतलब इवन पीपल हु आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इट, कई जगह वो बोल देंगे कि दिस शुड हैपन, दिस शुड नॉट हैपन, लेकिन बैक होम वो भी वही चीज़ें कर रहे होते हैं जो चाहते हैं कि दूसरे लोग ना करें. सो आई वुड जस्ट से प्रैक्टिस व्हाट यू प्रीच. अगर आप ऐसा बोल रहे हैं तो मतलब इट शुड बी इन योर सिस्टम and you should be following that, और वो होना चाहिए, and only then we can see that change in the society.
You know, when I started Pratigya, I was all of 18 years, and those were my sort of impressionable years. And Pratigya ka character, it is a very idealistic character, right? और उसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसी है. The personality and was quite contrasting to who I was at the time. आज शायद I'm much more closer to Pratigya than I was before. तो आज जो मैं हूँ, जैसी बनी हूँ, मेरी जो सोच है, मेरी मान्यताएं हैं, मेरा व्यक्तित्व जो बना है, उसमें प्रतिज्ञा के किरदार का बहुत ही हैवी इन्फ्लुएंस है. And happily so, I am very happy about it because it is a character that I also look up to as Pooja Gaur. I would like to be more like Pratigya. जिस तरीके से वो सोचती है, जिस तरीके से वो परिवार, अपने काम, हर चीज़ को बुन कर रखती है और हर चीज़ को बैलेंस करती है. I love her as a character and I aspire to be more like her in my real life.
Yeah, I feel like your question is like, women who got inspired from this show, especially from the character Pratigya, because she's that righteous, like always doing the right thing, always following the right path. But I feel, it's also the men who should get inspired from this show, because it's more for them to understand how to treat women, and what things should not be done in the society, and especially in the family, in the family of a wife, of daughters and sisters. So we take these topics in the show, and it's very important for all the men out there to take this inspiration, to learn these things from this show. Obviously it's for the women also, but for the men I feel it's more important, because when that thing is right, most of it is it's anyway it's going to be right, because that's the chunk we need to focus on.
Yeah, no, I couldn't have said it in a better way. So that, and of course I would like to add that Pratigya as a character is a collective effort and collective reflection of how women in the society are and how they should be and how they should be treated. तो प्रतिज्ञा एक वो कहते हैं ना मॉडल फिगर नहीं है. देयर आर विमेन लाइक प्रतिज्ञा आउट देयर. देयर आर विमेन who have these ideals and who have represented their own family and their stature in the society. So it's not just that the women of the society have drawn influence from Pratigya. Pratigya has got a lot of qualities which have been drawn and taken influence from the real women also. So I think it's sort of like very symbiotic between the character and the society. So yeah, and very happy Women's Day to every woman out there.
Happy Women's Day.